In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen step by step. Hi, I'm Andy from TechSmith, where we help you show what you know. Need to record your iPhone screen? I have a couple of great options to share, and I'll walk you through each one. Before anything else, you need to enable screen recording on your iPhone. To turn on screen recording, go to Settings, Control Center, scroll down, and tap the plus icon next to screen recording. Then you can move it into a position you prefer by dragging the three lines on the right up or down in priority order. If your iPhone is muted, the audio coming from your device won't be included in your recording. You'll need to unmute your device if you want it captured. You can change the video settings by pressing and holding the record button. Make sure the microphone button is red if you want to record your microphone audio as well. Remember though, if you talk over something that has audio on screen, you won't be able to separate the on-screen audio from your narration. So I recommend recording your narration separately. Everything that appears on screen, including notifications, will be recorded. So if you don't want your recording interrupted by random notifications, enable Do Not Disturb under the Focus menu. When you're ready to record, swipe down from the top right of your phone screen if you're using an iPhone X or later, or swipe up from the bottom for older versions. Now just tap the record button and your iPhone will begin recording after a 3-second countdown. When you're done, end the recording by tapping the red button in the top left of your iPhone screen and select Stop. Your video will automatically be saved to your camera roll. You can do some basic video editing, such as trimming and cutting, right on your iPhone. But what if you want to do more, such as adding transitions, text, or other effects? That's where Camtasia comes in. And you can send your video directly to Camtasia with TechSmith Capture. Download TechSmith Capture from the link in the description below, or you can find it in the App Store. Screen recording with our Capture app is pretty similar to the basic iPhone recorder. Open the app and tap the red record button on the top left of your screen and select Start Broadcast. Capture gives you a 3-second countdown and then you're rolling. Once you finish recording, open up the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner and press the record button. Your video will automatically be saved to the Capture library. Select your recording and tap the Share button. You can export right from your iPhone into Camtasia. Click the Camtasia logo and follow the prompts until Capture has accessed your camera. Then pull up Camtasia on your computer, click File, and Connect Mobile Device. Camtasia will pop a QR code onto your screen, at which point you aim the Capture app, now a camera, at the computer, and after a moment your video will transfer right into your media bin. Make sure to trim the portions at the beginning and end where you start and stop recording, and add some edits or callouts. Throw on some text or music. Then just share as a local file and transfer it back to your phone. Are you making a horizontal video from your vertical iPhone content and need help figuring out how to rotate it? We've got you covered. Just click here and watch this video. And there you have it, 2 super easy ways to record your iPhone screen. Tell us in the comments what you'll be using this for. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep getting helpful video content, and click the bell to be notified as soon as it's available. Thanks for watching.